meka ne poto kasem na twi no so watworo se nsuro na me wo ma wakoma ntu na me ne wo Nyankopon mesha wo den nso meboa wo nso mede metenene nifa mekura wo mu alopai. Our strength and our help come from the Lord, because He is the one who will strengthen us, the one who has promised us. Or no ana share mbo, or that kind of one time say, or beboye na ordinary nifa ebe kura mu. And the is it not powerful that you have a God that thinks so much about you. Arape wo nyamia odwon echen obia na sa nyami na aka ache o se de dika mensuro arape mensuro kra. The situation will come, the circumstances will come, the challenge will come. Challenges out do di na beba, but Yakubon say mensuro nsuro. I like the way Chinio etron nsuro na mene wo ho na mene wo ho ma wakuma ntu. So you are not alone, you are not alone. There's no answer, but you are not alone. God says He is with us. Nyankropon say oni yen ewo ho. So what else do you want? A day in a chain and to so ben a chain sanse me. Say Nyankropon no akache say ono Nyankopon no oni yen ewo ho. No one does anything the Emmanuel. Now say mesha woding. And no matter how weak you are, no matter how things are going, said the Nyama Eko and Yoma Dani Butu. Nyankopo akache say, and how a mamma yoning how if it's all not dear or best sell getting. Now, okay, when Yanisa or Nyankopo say, and I'll pay wow. And pay Yamiso Baboy and not down to soon you. So God is aware of the problems that you are going through. God is aware that you need something. Nyankopo nim or how nya mania nya pinisia onemu. Nyaminim de uhia. And you say, me nyankropon meboa. Now fe obo we are. You need protection. You need another enforcement. I bet me a crowd to say. And so me demetine not just any nifon, but me demetine nifa or the bear den and a pair or the big crying. I pay. This is the promise from God. Yakupon say, my suro. Yakupon say, okay, Yakupon say. Obeboa yen Nyankopon say ordinary ne nifa be kura yen. So after giving us assurance that we shouldn't be afraid, why shouldn't we be afraid? E den ti na Yakopon ma to so say ama yen suro e den tia ana obekire mu say ensuro, do not be afraid, because I am with you. Mene wo ho. And yes, a man so keke. There's one thing, say, when you're afraid of anything, or you are not afraid of something, and I say, you are not fear of something, but there should be a reason why unsuro bibi. You say, sabi mprediasa, obia sabi nani, I say, obeto eboabowa. Enya kwa if you said a 9 SCB so. Yes, the reason why you shouldn't be afraid, and they say God is with you. God is with us this morning. Just have the faith. Nyasaji didn't say Nyankopon ni ye wo ho anopai. This is so sweet. Now asaka cho say ye wo se usuro bibi eni ade bi obitimi on say ye wo bibi a bisuro oh me de misuro nso se ko dware nso ma ebe fa me eno wo ho ana ma wakoma ntu enso wo ho won say ebia unsuro said the obi be ya nai but na wedi na also no obi abetem hey anu nya suro na suro wakoma tu in a mix of something ebi awukwa na kana boso hwa juru mo akoma dwane kura fru yam arabe wakajo se ama wakoma entu na wakasa wie no wanwe o adenti no ma esa assurance o se woni ye nyankropon he is our God anu anwe no osaka chose sura unso ni ma wakoma ntu ni nyina no God is ready so obesha wo dey anope nyame be share den no matter the situation that we are going through God will strengthen us. This morning we need the strength of the Lord. Ye hear nyankropon se wo share den. And we have that promise. Ahun to so ni say onu nyankopon say obesha ye den. Now osa say mebuwa wo. God says he's going to help us. God is going to help us. So what else do you need? Now we are, after assuring us, after protecting us, after giving us the strength, medemensa tinini ni fano ebe kurawo. Nyame kuradia when they bet me referencing. Nyame kuradia when they bet my Jeffries. So this morning you are special. You are fearfully and wonderfully made. Ya yewo soronko ahihya soronko efise nyankropon ana didn't tini nifa ekurawo. So you are not afraid of the storm. You are not afraid of any situation, atrocities, anything that will come your way, because you have a God who has assured you. Sa bosumi joini mu koswa na sha ohun den se nyame se odinisa tini nifa no ekuraye ka che se maye nsuro adenti efiso no nyankropon ono ne yen na ewo ho alopa ye wo yakopon a o ma asumdwe abra asumdwe nyina aso anopa na asumdwe enkan ho. May the peace of our Lord which surpasses all understanding be with us this morning. We say assalamu alaikum wa alaikum salam. It is a beautiful Tuesday morning. Today happens to be the second day in the 6th month. So many afini na ya chem bosumi nsianini 6 it was 6 more to go. So we have that hope. You I don't pay you are blessed. Why is shra? What different new fibem? Why is shra? Wanamonyina muno? Why is shra? A friend and Kwame Nkwantabisa, a man for Nina Nkwantabisa. I don't pay Matanasi. Kopim said no kuno bebo apem. Way I Sompa 93.1 Ade Akye Abia, the biggest and the hottest breakfast in town. Yatina si binimi nyanom be somo na dia koso oban Ghana ni nchodi ni ntwaso ni nyina ye dia mawo. Ano pe pin kura to for ba obete. We are here say ye ba be somo. Na ye somo keke. Ye somo suma e sompa. Ano pe sports for beba bra nonso aboya sports for beba na nonso bo pamu a yesa ba beje koya ene de menu akwa me ja ko ba be de atena se ba be tena se no pay sa so no oba pa ba bra gina mu gidigidi to left right center no pay twen ho se ate esi apaso no gre gina ze e be servo na ya servo ye da ena kwabo wo ho no wonim say Ara be catch you say Parliament akwatena ase didi nkomo a LGBTQ+ no. Afei de speaker bagwen by o say go for yi o ma bom chas killing. Don de eye no wanwa pa. Say no nim so mbe bobo hu no ni ha. Enti o mra no na ka ja o ba betena akwanyam no a wa hye ne going kama. And no ma twene sra ni abasada say ono under the leadership a speaker of parliament no na Kenya ya pass ya de ni nemu a o say ba yo unzan gofo ma pass otilo o ma pass ya de no na do da ba fu atras o say are akoso emunya nhwemu ye o eniema bebre wo mo ya firim o mo boa are no ba pass it halfway arapa ya kwaba aronsam asu giram wo parliament gidi aronso ye beka ho asem ai na His Excellency John Dramani Mahama so aka say the LGBTQ+ bill no is still far from becoming law. The European no say if you bet was amendment or whatever that it is, no, you be revenue the unkobo. Ghana Private Road Transport Union GPRT for the abase. Hey, 20% in common free. 20% na yesi ababa to jabom ne free. Masa yeni mo hwe. Omne Ghana Road operators so also the abase. 20% be. Na 30 no so free. And the so say hey, what I can forget about science and no Ghana enya banana republic. Obi antimi ntina baby enya de opebia. Hwe na eno so kire say yankwati meti house protoa hwan eden say hwe na gofo pa jamu no omu konta no mu yakọ omu achi on a mu petete temamfo ma mani ya den na obi amfa mu seke enwa nanka ipa bi nkogina ba bi no mega se no mu no hwan na hwan to mu no beje tete omu se hwe wo de ma yan nyusika na mo amotena ka mu a obi fight for my right na mo de mo nkwa na mo sika na mo twia say na 20% pa bekan na 50% bekan na 1 cedi bekan na den aso sa go for granny partner fight for my right go bia this guy won ho chem ya no ya la gala ya bari oba ya basao be baka cho say de yo be si koro ya tubu kra be to me personal view reasonable but some 20% 30% outrageous dia nkwani atumu 20% 20 no kra outrageous ado makwani e twape person 100% sen kwana abedaso sound krata mu ke twan how many times in a year todo bia ho ekwaya ye faso etutu dwombam because yenya element ba ku mienu miense gina so do. There should be a consensus. Ministry nie GPRT nie road operators for nie protoa for nie fa for nie nyina ya tenase ya coming to a consensus ya jatum eno ane masumdwe ne pepere yo eba na obi adim gaza odon na na Ghana sa ne be ndia se ne eno sorry a we say ene ya tumum we say ya to abitiem MPP so a petition chief justice sa onyi circuit court judge no out na bronye case ni so aropen komo ho bebre Ministry of Foreign Affairs so dia ba sa akwantu ni titiri mu amko South Africa mo mamoni na ho na monya ahwe yie pa aropen ya ba eno so ho ayebidi komo. We have a lot to talk about this morning ma yankomra ya ba ya betina sie konfano psychiatric unit and so omo push inclusion of mental health service under NHIS and NHIS for the abase 1 million no crowd mpo manya twam na mo se nya die hianie mental health mo fanka ho me kwa ba waka tena se Abapa wisdom team ni na ready nkumsam ni na ready to serve us this morning babe ko bra me ba osom no ato aso.